So we learned our lesson on over-ordering and overeating last night. So today, we're gonna go eat 20 different foods.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights.
Okay, we're done. Let's go.
Keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
Okay, second stop, we're eating sashimi and sushi.
Let it go, cut the cable short, and the problem solved might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found.
This is the hot frost ice cream, trying for the first time. I think it's okay.
It's like a bread talk or the pork frost bun. Then you buy already, then you never eat, then you put in the fridge. Then you take out and then you eat again. This is exactly the taste.
I think it's interesting, I like it.
Yeah, moving on.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short, and the problem solved might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short, and the problem solved might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Hey guys, if you'd like to know the locations of the 20 foods and why we give them the ratings that we did, you can check it out on our XL Travels website. I've linked it in the description down below.
And if you have not done so, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will know when episode 3 goes live. And with that, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.